the sun is warm.
Okay guys, we hit a little bit of a milestone, so there's still a lot of snow. We made it through the first pile over there, but the second one, it looks like there's been definitely a couple of temps already, and yeah, we're not gonna even try now with his summer tires on there. So we're gonna back off, back our truck. We're gonna hike the rest of the way up. We got all of our stuff backed up in backpacks. Yaro's got the grill, and we're off for about a mile hike up. The lake is all frozen over. I'll put up a picture of what it really looks like in the summer when everything is melted. Although it is summer, it's 5th of July. So this is the actual lake. You can see it's frozen over completely. It's a little bit sketchy out here, but I don't want to, yeah, you can't step right there. Yeah. He took a shortcut. We made it.